The Wensley sits quietly on top of a hill. Two timber structures, clad in ironbark, overlook 80 acres of rolling green hills. Connected to form a gateway, the roofline between the two buildings carefully frames the view across the valley and celebrates your arrival into this charming country farmhouse. One building is a dedicated shed, while the other is home to a young family of 4. The owners wanted their home to capture the iconic essence of an Australian shed, but this home does much more than that. Designed by Byrne Architects, together with Lisa Buxton Interiors, this home is harmonious from start to finish. The exterior and interior sing together beautifully to create a seamless experience, one that transports you to a slower pace and time. With no plaster walls in sight, timber is the absolute hero. Recycled Oregon and ironbark are the foundations of this home and create an overwhelming sense of warmth and stability. Soaring high ceilings and floor-to-ceiling windows elevate this airy and homely interior, offering panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. I first likened this interior to a scruffy yet sexy farmer being discovered by a modelling agency and then all of a sudden finding himself on the cover of Vogue. It has a raw and honest aesthetic that is also dripping with luxury and perfectly styled vignettes. Leather, linen, brass and terracotta with hues of white and soft blue complement the rich timber foundation. Its attention to detail is impeccably curated, with every handle, ceramic and teaspoon taking you to a place of nostalgia. Nothing modern appears to exist in this home, and yet it has the benefit of a modern approach with open plan living and high-end finishes that make for an unmistakably refined home. Its location in Wensleydale is a unique part of Victoria, a country setting, yet only a short drive from the surf coast town of Anglesea on the Great Ocean Road. Its owners, Fran and Mike, have shaped a life here together, having shared many milestones including a surprise proposal on the property, followed by their children's first steps, Woody and Quinn. A new build, they took their time, making sure to pay attention to the finer design details, particularly the timber and carpentry finishes. They were happy to let timber take over the home in order to allow the house to live and breathe through its natural materials. To balance the heavy presence of timber, they merged lighter tones and textures to brighten and soften the space, creating a more cohesive and welcoming feeling. For this family of 4, they love the freedom that this quiet space provides. Their days are spent on the land connecting with one another, something they appreciate every time they're in their country home. They love that this house invites space for them to chat, interact, and simply slow down. They now happily share their unique lifestyle with others, opening the doors to the Wensley for guests to enjoy when the family are not occupying the home. What I love most about the Wensley is the feeling that this home evokes. It took the farmhouse concept and ran with it, completely immersing you in a lifestyle that feels authentic, even if it's the first time you've set foot on a farm. You can't help but give in to its charm. You happily wait for the whistle of the tea on the stove while you sit and watch the cows and kangaroos outside. There's no reaching for your phone or checking your emails. This home gives you permission to slow down, to just be, and that is what makes it truly special. The Wensley is one of many homes featured in my new book, Retreat, Inspired Homes and Ways of Living, available at all good bookstores, online and in store.